Hi students, let us solve an interesting question. The question is, find the average of 4 power 51 plus 4 power 52 plus 4 power 53 plus 4 power 54. Okay. So as we know that average is nothing but sum of observations by total number of observations. Okay. So here we have total 4 observations. Their sum is equal to 4 power 51 plus 4 power 52 plus 4 power 53 plus 4 power 54. Okay. So here the total number of observations are 4 here. Just to divide it by 4, but I'm writing 4 as 4 power 1. Okay, yeah, just you look at here. So here 4 power 51 by 4 power 1. So a power m by a power n, a power m by a power n. So can be written as a power m minus n. Okay, so 4 power 51 by 4 power 1 can be written as 4 power 50, and next 4 power 52 by 4 power 1 you are going to get 4 power 51, and 4 power 53 by 4 power 1 4 power 52, 4 power 54 by 4 power 1 we are going to get 4 power 53. Okay, so here 4 power 50, 4 power 51, 4 power 52, 4 power 53 is nothing but the average of the given question, right? So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you and all.